Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a simple program that will ask the user to give distance in kilometers, and then our program will simply convert the given kilometers into miles equivalent using C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we are here in Microsoft Visual Studio. So this one is already generated now by Microsoft Visual Studio. We have your new line, kilometers to miles in C#. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give distance in kilometers that will be stored in our variable kilometers, which has a data type of double. If we are new with computer programming, when we say double, these are the values that has decimal places. So we convert it to double red line. Normally, the console red line, it can only accept string. So to convert into miles, we have assigned another variable that is miles. Kilometers divided by over 1.6. And then in this line of code, we display the kilometers, and then equivalent in miles is new line and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line and console read key. So the reason that we put console read key in our program, because it is a console application written in C#, is that if we don't put console read key at the end of our code, we cannot see the output. When it runs, it will terminate automatically. That is the reason behind. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Thank you so much. Let us run our program. Kilometers to miles in C#, enter distance in kilometers. Let's say we have 5.6 kilometers. 5.6 kilometers, the equivalent in miles is 3.5 miles, and a program. Another example, let's say we have 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers is equivalent in miles is 5 miles, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilometers to miles in C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.